Chicken ceviche. Ingredients: cooked, toasted, a little piece of chicken, a small onion, 2 small canned tomatoes, and a lemon. Preparation: toasting first, we put the chicken to cook. Meanwhile, we cut the onion and cut the 2 tomatoes with a light boiled water. The next thing is to put the tomatoes to liquefy. Meanwhile, we wash the custard and leave the onion with a little water. After we sift the blended in a pot. Second, we shred the chicken to be able to mix in the ceviche. We continue mixing as the ingredients in the pot. Third and finally, we place on a plate ready to be served. Place a lemon and finish. Finally, this is how chicken ceviche looks toast. Thank you.